Hi, in this video I want to answer a common question, how to use two SIMs on the iPhone 16. So, you can use two SIMs on your iPhone either by using two eSIMs or one physical SIM card and one eSIM. To use the eSIM method, go to the settings, then open mobile service, and here you would see this blue option to add an eSIM. Just tap it, wait a couple of seconds, and after that you would see two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code, or input details manually based on your preferences. If you choose to use a physical SIM card, first activate an eSIM, then open the SIM slot and insert your SIM card. The SIM slot is located right here on the left side of your phone. So this setup allows you to effectively use two SIMs on your iPhone 16. And that's it for today. Hope this video helped and thank you for watching.